Welcome to NMSAVIN.com. This site is available in English and Spanish. To enter this site in Spanish, click here. Each tab and each section is in Spanish. To switch back to English, click here in the upper right hand corner. There is a disclaimer. This states any information contained within this site does not accurately reflect the particular exact information of your case. If you find an error, notify the District Attorney's Office or your case is being heard of this discrepancy. Hit I accept. This is the home screen of NMSAVIN. There is a link in the middle of the page for Vine. You can click on this link to register for automated jail notifications. The next tab is Case Lookup. Here, if you know your offender's first name, type it in. If you know their last, you can type it here. Otherwise, click Search. If you have additional identifying information to keep your search to keep it smaller. This one right now we're viewing 1 of 241, 1 of 10 of 241. So down at the bottom there's a next button, and this will scroll you through. And right now we're viewing 10 per page. But if we wanted to see results of more than 10 per page, we could use this drop down and say 100 per page, and just hit search again. So this one's only 3 pages now. Once you find the case that you're looking for, click on this black box and hit Go to Details. Here you will see your case details, the involved parties, the charges, and if you are a victim to this charge, you would check here, as well as your notification choice. You can pick email, phone, or text. It's going to ask you to register. If you want to come into this site anonymously, the only thing you would add is your telephone number and a PIN code. This PIN code should be 6 digits. If you decided you would like to register for text messages, you could do that here. And for the text message, you have to enter in your mobile service as well as your telephone number. If you wanted to register with an email address, you would check that and then enter in your email 2 times. You can also register to receive your notifications in Spanish by clicking here. And then you would just hit Submit. I'm going to hit Reset. So that's Case Lookup. The FAQ is going to give us additional information on the site, like who can register, Again, anyone can register to receive this service. We encourage anyone who's a victim or a witness to a criminal case to register for this free service. Down here at the bottom it says, I received a notification that told me the new status of the case I registered to receive notifications on. What does that status mean? If you scroll down, you'll see the status and what they mean. So if it is pending grand jury, that means that the grand jury of the district attorney's office must present their felony case to the grand jury. If the grand jury finds that there is sufficient evidence, a grand jury indictment will be filed and prosecution will commence. If the grand jury finds that there is insufficient evidence, a no bill is filed and the case is closed. So each different status has its definition next to it. There's also another one. I received a notification that told me an upcoming court event has been scheduled on a case I registered to receive notifications on. So this one's a court event. So the event type is listed on the left and what the hearing is for is on the right. For example, if it is a bench trial is a trial in which the judge will determine the verdict. So that's a good reference. There's also a resources tab. Here are the different counties within the state of New Mexico. There's also a county map. Here you can hover your mouse over to zoom into the different counties. And these are these particular counties' resources. So the agencies listed here, there's a telephone number. Sometimes there's also a website and an email, depending on the county. There's also statewide services for anywhere within the state. These agencies listed here with their websites here. For DA contact, there's a judicial district map. So depending on what part of the state you are from, you can hover your mouse over that area and click on your mouse and it takes you to that district attorney's office information. And that concludes this video.